We often hear about the devastating changes happening in the Arctic, but the South Pole is struggling too. In fact, glaciers there are disappearing. Antarctica is Earth's fifth largest continent, which we often associate with the South Pole. The continent is entirely covered by an ice sheet, which holds about 90% of the world's ice. Researchers have long studied it. Naomi Aquat is one of those researchers. She was on a mission a couple years back and noticed something very strange with one glacier in particular. It was disappearing at an alarming rate. In fact, half of it was gone. So what happened? Well, some of the warmest Antarctic summers on record are happening at the Antarctic Peninsula. Warmer temperatures at the pole are causing changes in weather patterns, including unusual wind events. Those winds create strong waves which break up the sea ice. Now, if you remove that floating sea ice, that floating part, then the glaciers that are on the land no longer have this sort of barrier, and they can speed up and go right into the ocean. The concern is whether this could happen to more glaciers. Researchers also worry about how destructive sea level rise could be if 90% of the planet's ice were to melt into the oceans. It's no question a bit settling, even a bit scary, but that's why scientists say they will keep their research up down in the South Pole to track sea level rise, to track those disappearing glaciers so that we can better understand what we could be in store for in the future.